Hi friends, I am JJ. Welcome to our channel JJ Pathfinder. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on notification. These are the important informative topics of our channel. Let's start. Real Path creates victory. Today I am sharing a home decorative idea. Installation of double layer butterfly magnetic sticker. The sticker I bought from online shop. The characteristics of these stickers are material PVC, color purple, size 2 piece 12 cm, 2 piece 9 cm, 4 piece 8 cm and 4 piece 6 cm. Total 12 pieces are available in this packet. A small piece of magnet fixed in the body of butterfly. Wings are made up of PVC and it is double layered. You can buy this sticker from the link of this video description. We can simply install the sticker on any metallic surface by the help of magnetic property. This is a double-sided tape. It is helpful for applying sticker on walls, wood surface, plastic, etc. Cut a small piece of tape and apply the bottom side of the sticker. Then install the sticker on the wall. The sticker looks beautiful and it looks like original butterfly. Install the stickers in your favorite shape and requirement. Thank you for watching this video.